Okay guys, today I show you what I got here. After this I will show you the price. So here I have some honey, I have some liquid to wash. I don't know what's that. This is to wash too. Here I've got coffee. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got some bleach. Okay. I got some from grain here. This is what sunflower grain. I got 2 packets of biscuits. This, you know what it is. I got 2 small tubes of toothpaste. Okay. Then I got some sponge. 2 packets of sponge here. I got a scent stick to spray, and another big bag of soap. This is what? That's big, huh? So this is over 2 kilo. Yeah, 2.5 kilogram. So it's pretty much half full. So now here we have 1 bag of coffee. Put inside the cart. Sponge, biscuits, grain, toothpaste. Here we have bleach and soap for clothes. And here we have the honey. Okay, that's the honey. And the total was 1,042 baht. So that's the change, 956. 1,042 baht is what? It's around $25. So what do we have in the US for $25? Maybe you have 2 packets of coffee and that's all, I think. Do you understand now? The melon soda here. Or maybe 20 baht. Yeah, here, 20 baht here. See what I mean? I will never come back. I will never come back. Unless you do the same price like in Thailand. Well, okay, you're going to tell me we cannot compare, but I can compare. You can compare. So Pakistan is good for if you have no money, and if you have a good job, a job that pay like $10,000 a month. Yeah, it's worth, you know. And you save, and after you just say bye-bye, you know. Don't buy anything in Pakistan because everything costs too much money. Keep your money, invest, and just get out and come to enjoy your life in Thailand with your kid. You see here we have a place, play pool. It's nice, and it's relaxed. See, I got nice drink here for 20 baht, you see. I'm not stressing, I don't have even a job. So now I go home. It's cloudy. So enjoy the States, guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.